Good morning, everybody. It's Tony. I didn't do futures yesterday on SPY. I was a little bit busy, but I did want to wake you guys up with some good news. We are at all-time highs for the S&P 500. All-time highs close. We're around 470 every single instance. As of right now, pre-market, we are at 472. I do expect SPY to keep running, and I do expect it to keep running up until the first rate cut that's going to happen next year, that I expect it to be somewhere around Q1, late Q1, early Q2. And even then, I don't know if the market will dump. I do think that there might be a slight retrace around late March, early April, January, March, April, yeah. But we are at all-time highs pre-market, back to 472. I don't know what the actual all-time high is. All-time high is actually 473.54. 473.54 is the all-time high. We're like $1.50 away from hitting all-time highs, and we're already above every single close, every single all-time high close, which is fantastic pre-market. And I think we're gonna keep rallying. I think we're gonna keep pushing to the upside. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.